Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna do a quick, I guess, man, come on, preliminary look at some of Saab's design and engineering, such as like the thickness of the A pillars and things like that. Why Saabs are so strong. The things that nobody really mentions in regards to the advancements that Saab has made in the automotive industry. And so we're going to take a look at some of the quick things here before I dive in on the next video, which will be a more in-depth look at it. Just wanted to do something a little quick this time. So there you go. And yes, if you're looking at this, it is a Saab shirt with two Canada flag or maple leafs representing Canada. It was for the Saab Owners Convention that we held here in Canada. It was the first and apparently last one ever. It was an incredible turnout, but it was an awful lot of work, and it was really hard to get support to make it happen. Anyway, let's get on with the Saab engineering.
So let's start at the actual headlights. If you've ever wondered what, I guess, what style of headlight bulb your vehicle uses, Saab actually has them imprinted on the headlight housing itself. Mine are pretty weathered, so it's hard to see, but it does actually say D1S, which indicates that it's a D1S xenon bulb that should be used on these headlights. And I didn't show it, but the other side actually has the H11, I believe. And here, the A pillar, if you look, it's about 4 inches in depth. People wonder, how Saabs can survive a head-on collision with a moose. Well, comparing these pillars with other vehicle pillars, these things are massive. And it's about 3 inches across, not including the extra width that you get from the door. Um, which it's been stated that even in rallying and racing and whatnot, Saab, it wasn't required or it wasn't necessary for them to use a roll cage because the pillars were so strong. Um, and there you go. And over here we've got the, back in 2005 and 2004, the cooled glove box with the little switch to turn it on and off. It's pretty interesting in regards to, just some engineering ingenuity from Saab. Now it's pretty commonplace, and I still don't see this a whole lot in family sedans. I see it more in SUVs, but the rear vent for defrosting the rear side windows, pretty ingenious. I'm pretty sure it also works in cooling as well for air conditioning to keep moisture off the windows. And if you look here, that weather sealing strip at the bottom there, that's the door sill with the door open. The door actually wraps into that whole area. It just turns it into a complete and utter safety cage. Like it's absolutely crazy the amount of thought, these hidden little things. So you're basically in a cocoon. And here with the tail light, you'll notice the little markings there, pretty much in the center of that photo. The markings there actually tell you which taillight bulbs you should use as well. You don't even have to go into the owner's manual to actually look. It's pretty crazy. And of course, here we have the incredibly complex cup holder. Now, it looks like it's not that complicated. It looks like when you push it up, it just touches the edge of the dash, and then that's what starts the tilt. But if you look very carefully as I get closer, it never actually touches the dash at all. That whole mechanism is on its own. It's all internally done. It doesn't touch the dashboard whatsoever. There's maybe a millimeter of clearance. It was way overcomplicated, but kind of cool. And then for switching taillight bulbs, easiest vehicle I've ever seen for doing this. You just just squeeze those tabs, pull out the entire holder. It's a whole circuit board. Holds all the bulbs, boom. You just push, twist, pull one of the bulbs out, replace it, get it back, line it up, push it in until the tabs lock in place, and you're done. It's by far the easiest vehicle. Even my last Saab, I had a 2004 9.3 sports sedan, and it was the same thing. It's the easiest thing ever. Now, here comes a hidden aspect, which I couldn't find the info. I did come across it a long time ago. The reason why Saab uses such a curved windshield was at high speeds, it actually keeps rain off the window. It'll spread the rain off to the sides, just to try to maximize the capability of visibility. Mind you, yeah, the windshields are pretty expensive to replace because of the curve. It's a lot more windshield. So there's just a few quick ingenuity things in regards to Saab and their crazy over-engineering design influence and safety. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!